Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories in sunny and always hot Margate, Florida. Today I am super excited. I have Jake here with SmartCap. That's right, you've probably seen some of my videos from the Keystone Big Show where I've done the video of all their stuff they've done. As you know, they have a lot of different models. Well, Jake took his time to come see us at our store. A lot of people don't know we have a brick and mortar store. We have a beautiful store. Now I'm gonna pass the microphone on to Jake because Jake knows the product just a little better than I do. You ready, Jake?
Yeah, here you go. Let me get this on here since I'll be using my hands. Yeah, so this is the SmartCap bed replacement system. So we also do regular truck caps as well. But the unique thing about our product in general is everything is stainless steel and a modular design, which is really nice for shipping the product, for distributing the product. So it comes in a box, easy for C&H to assemble that product and then put it on your truck. But what you're looking at here is we have a flatbed system. We replaced the bed of this Tacoma. Gives you a ton of storage and usability. So for instance, you've got storage in each side. You've got a rear drawer in the back that we'll take a look at in a second. And then we added to the top of the flatbed the Cap XL. So similar to our regular truck caps, this is a 5-piece design, holds 770 pounds, so really good for people who want to put like a rooftop tent or they need to have strong weight capacity. Also very durable, being that it's stainless steel. It's painted, so this is actually an automotive grade paint. And then beautiful thing is massive access into your cargo area. So all of our truck caps, including the Cap XL, have side doors so that you can access the interior. You've got MOLLE panel to stay organized. You can hang different cargo from there. We've got a couple accessories in here, like our fridge slide, so easy access to get into your fridge. Stows that back away. We've got the table up here. So we design our product to add accessories super easy. So all these parts you can actually bolt on. You don't have to buy this when you get the cap. You can add different accessories. You can take them away, kind of like our roof rails up here. We have different types of racks that come down. You can open them from the side. To give you an idea of some other cool accessories that we do, in the bed replacement, standard we have a drawer, but what's really nice is we also offer what we call the camp kitchen. So this setup allows you to be super organized. You've got your stove, you just hook it up to propane, all your utensils, your drinkware, that's all gonna come standard with the foam. In the regular truck caps, that comes out the side, which if you jump on the website, smartcap.com, you'll see that.
Oh, by the way, Miami Dolphins.
I'm also from Florida, so I'm a Florida fan, so you gotta represent the Dolphins there. In the Cap XL, you've got storage on the outside. In the normal truck cap, you're gonna have access with a rear door. But the nice thing, again, our truck caps are all stainless steel, very flexible to spec them out how you want. We make them for pretty much all the standard trucks, your Fords, your Rams, your Tacomas. So pretty much have fitments for your trucks. Perfect. Send it back to you, Chris.
Man, thank you, Jake. You can see this thing is cool. And I tell you, again, what Jake was saying, this is not his only model. And there's actually a newer version of this already. If you go to my YouTube channel, you see the videos, there's a lot of videos on SmartCap products. I think this is a terrific product. And I'm dying to do more videos. So come in the store, let me do one for your truck, and we'll make your truck a superstar. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories, here with Jake from SmartCap. And keep in mind, we can ship this anywhere in the country. So absolutely. If it's not, you don't live here in Florida, not a problem. I'll send it to you, or you have it come in here. We'll put it in, and we put a 1-year labor agreement on everything we do. Again, if you like what you see, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories with Jake with SmartCap. Thank you.